What if the secret to saving thousands on your car wasn't in a mechanic's garage, but already inside your home, quietly sitting in a drawer, waiting to rescue your wallet? Most drivers lose money not because of major failures, but because of small habits that slowly damage the engine, tires, battery, and electronics. Today you're unlocking 23 simple car hacks that protect your vehicle, extend its life, and save serious cash. Anyone in the US can use these tricks with everyday tools you already have. And the first one? It fixes a mistake quietly destroying engines right now without showing any warning light. Hack 23. Stop driving on fumes. That low fuel light is not motivation, it's a warning. Driving near empty overheats the fuel pump because fuel keeps it cool. Low levels also pull sediment from the tank, clogging injectors like plaque in arteries. This leads to rough idling, stalling, and expensive repairs. Always keep at least 1/4 tank, especially before cold weather or long trips. Hack 22. Master cold starts. Most engine wear happens in the first minute after startup. Oil is thick, metal is dry, and revving hard causes friction. Idle for 30-60 seconds, then drive gently until the temperature needle rises. In freezing states, a block heater helps keep oil thin and reduces strain. Hack 21. Seasonal tire pressure. Tire pressure drops about 1 psi for every 10-degree drop in temperature. Low pressure wastes fuel, reduces grip, and wears tires unevenly. Add 3 to 5 psi above the recommended spec in winter. In summer, return to factory settings. Hack 20. Penny tread test. Place a penny with Lincoln's head down. If you can see the top of his head, the tire is unsafe. For better accuracy, use a quarter. If Washington's head is visible, replace the tires soon. Hack 19. Paper towel oil test. Warm the engine, dab 2 drops from the dipstick onto a paper towel, and wait 2 hours. A clean halo means healthy oil. Dark grit or metal flakes show wear. A milky color means coolant mixing with oil, serious trouble. Hack 18. Reset the computer. If the engine feels rough or acceleration lags, your ECU may have outdated data. Reset it with an OBD2 scanner, or by briefly disconnecting the battery. The system relearns proper settings on your next drive. Hack 17. Clear nail polish on paint chips. Tiny chips turn into rust patches. Clean the area, dry it, and seal it with clear nail polish. It blocks moisture and preserves resale value. Hack 16. Condition door seals. Rubber seals dry out and crack. Clean and apply silicone to keep them soft, quiet, and leak-free, especially in winter. Hack 15. Toothpaste on headlights. Non-gel toothpaste has mild abrasives that remove haze. Rub in circles, rinse, and repeat monthly to keep headlights bright. Hack 14. Deep clean AC vents. Musty smells come from dust and trapped moisture. Use a small brush and vinegar mix to clean vents, then run the fan to dry them. Hack 13. Hot air flush. On hot days, don't blast the AC immediately. Open a window and pump the driver door to push hot air out. Then turn the AC to the coldest setting with floor vents. Switch to recirculation once the cabin cools. Hack 12. Vent windows. Slightly cracking windows 1 inch reduces heat buildup and protects dashboards, electronics, and seats from UV damage. Hack 11. Silicone for frozen doors. Spray silicone on door seals before winter. It prevents freezing and protects door handles from snapping. Hack 10. Hand sanitizer for frozen locks. Apply to the key or lock area for a quick fix. Hack 9. Alcohol for wipers. Rubbing alcohol removes grime, restores flexibility, and reduces streaks during rain. Hack 8. Sunshade protection. A reflective sunshade blocks heat, protects electronics, and keeps the interior cooler. Hack 7. Test brake fluid moisture lowers brake performance. Test strips show contamination early, preventing fading brakes and costly repairs. Hack 6. Battery terminal. Grease clean terminals and apply grease to stop corrosion, protect the alternator, and ensure reliable starts. Hack 5. Lubricate window tracks. Silicone in window tracks reduces motor strain, quiets movement, and prevents pricey window repairs. Hack 4. Shift lock release. If the battery dies and the shifter is stuck in park, use the shift lock slot by the shifter to move into neutral for towing or jump starting. Hack 3. Floor mats for traction. If you're stuck in snow or mud, place rubber floor mats under the drive wheels for instant grip. These 23 simple hacks cut repair costs, prevent breakdowns, and help your car last years longer. For more smart car-saving tips, like, subscribe, and hit the bell on Next Gear AutoZone, because your engine, your time, and your wallet deserve smarter driving.